In this video, let us solve another TET question. This is one of the easiest TET question I have seen. They have given that cos theta is 12 by 13. We need to find out tan theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. If you draw right angle triangle and if you consider this as theta, what is adjacent side? This one. And what is hypotenuse? This one. So they gave this as 13 and this as 12. Then what is this? We know that 13 square is equal to 12 square plus x square. What is x square? 169 minus 144, which is 25. So x is 5. So this side is 5. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side, which is nothing but 5 by 12. So this is the answer.